Hey guys, today's video I'm working on my truck because I got a bunch of parts in. The Envoy, it's still there. I'm going to be working on it some, but I'm trying to get a lot of things done on the Envoy in one video. So this is going to be fairly easy. I've got a seat cover and a dash from C10 Pony Parts. So I've worked with CJ before on my 65 Mustang Fastback, and you know, I was pretty happy with the results on that. So they sent me a seat cover and dash, so thank you to CJ Pony Parts for that. Yes, they do Chevy trucks. So I also got a package from Poppy's Patina. That way I can put a clear coat on this truck and save the patina. That's the idea. So I'm going to be working on that. So that's two things I can do to this truck today. Three things, I guess, on this truck. And it's going to be awesome. So I'm going to start with the dash. Let's start with the dash. Yeah, this dash is pretty raunchy, but this is going to be like the correct style dash that was in the truck. Y'all were probably wondering why we didn't go with the tan dash. The tan dash belonged to a older model truck, and I had this sitting in the shop. Now I can throw it away because there's no need for me to keep this if I got a new dash. So let's get the new dash installed, and then we're going to move on to the seat. So I will say I'm not happy with the delivery service because well, they just left the box out in the rain. We had a huge rainstorm and they delivered the packages and just left them out in the rain. Thanks. Not CJ Pony Parts' problem though. I just don't know if it was UPS or FedEx or whatever, but whoever delivered it, they suck. So let's do an unboxing. Well, I'm glad it's in a bag. That means the dash did not get wet. Very nice look. Is there anything in? No directions in the box. Notice, installation of this dash pad will be easier if the material and the air temperature are above 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, it's a little chilly. This makes the material more flexible and allows it for more precise fit. This dash pad is made from polyurethane material that resists dirt and discoloration. Do not attempt to paint this dash pad, as most paints will not adhere. Okay. Well, it's a good thing I don't have to paint it. I want it black. Loose. I think I'm going to be fine. Oh, God, that looks beautiful. That's a good looking dash. Okay. So I'm going to look into what I got to do to put the vents and all that stuff in. Looking forward to putting this dash in. All right. So the dash is so easy on this truck. You just have to take this instrument cluster bezel out, and a few screws down the bottom of the dash, and it comes right out. These are like the easiest dashes to take apart. that easy. Dash is out. Such a pretty dash. Pretty dash. Nice brand new dash. Come on, baby. All right, cool deal. I gotta put the screws in, and we should be set. Then we're gonna move on to the seat. I think the dash turned out absolutely beautiful. Look at it. It is so nice. It's like nicer than the rest of the truck. All right, I'm very happy with the dash. CJ Pony Parts, good job. The seat. I kind of hate to pull the cover off of the seat because it's halfway decent, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna remove the seat out of this truck, and I'm gonna find a place somewhere in this crowded shop to place the seat and remove the cover and put the new one on. So I'm gonna do that, and I hope the seat cover is correct. I hadn't even had it out of the bag yet. Alright, so I've got the dash in and I got the seat in. And I didn't realize how bad the tan leather seat belts and the tan carpet was going to look with the black seat. So I plan on getting carpet for this thing, but not right now because I've got some rust in the floor I've got to fix. So I don't know, I guess sometime in the near future when I'm fixing the rust, I'll go ahead and buy some carpet for it too. And you know, that ought to take care of it. The carpet and the seat belts and the interior will be fairly decent. I'm happy with it. The seat turned out great. The dash turned out fantastic. So check out CJ Pony Parts for some interior for your C10. So next thing I'm going to do, which tomorrow is when I have to get ready to go back to work, I'm going to try to add the Poppy's patina to this truck. Try to get a shine going on it and protect the patina. So it's 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to go to bed, and I got to get up bright and early in the morning for another project that I'm picking up. I'm going to try to make that one a separate video. So I'm going to bed, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to get down to trying out the clear coat on my truck. So I don't know if I have enough time. I'm going to be opening up this box from Poppy's Patina. And yes, it's cool. No, I'm not going to paint it. That's cool. So I'm going to open up this box. Hopefully there's some directions in there, and we're just going to read them, and we're going to see about starting to apply the Poppy's Patina. I've already done a Scotch wash on this thing. So as far as I know, there's like something to wipe things down to get ready for the application of the clear coat. So let me open up this box and see what we got. So this is supposed to be enough to do a whole truck. So I'm guessing that this is the directions. We have Scotch pad. We've got application applier, and we have wax and grease remover, and I'm guessing the clear coat and hardener stuff. So let's read the directions and see what we've got. So the directions: how much do I need? One 32-ounce container will cover one long bed C10 truck. I got a short bed. Shake well before use. Wipe on clear coat directions. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment for best results. Use in well-ventilated area between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. I mean, this barn is pretty drafty. And I definitely have it about 70 degrees in here. Wash the surface with pre-cleaner and water using a light-duty gray pad, removing as much loose scale, dirt and grit and oxidation as possible. Rinse thoroughly, let dry completely. Then with a wax and grease remover, wet one rag. Then wipe on while drying with another clean, dry rag before applying the clear coat. Okay, so the paint is still drying. It's a little streaky on the hood. I am going to do a second coat on the hood and anything that really needs attention. But look at it. This is fantastic. And this is the wipe on. You can also get the spray on, which if you want a really nice job, yes, absolutely get the spray on type. But for quickness, I wiped this whole thing down in 30 minutes. And I have enough to go over another coat, which I'm going to do. And it's going to turn out great. So I've got some left over, and I really like the way this thing looks. So guys, make sure you check out Poppy's Patina. I am really happy with the results so far. Looking good, looking real good, and it's still drying, so there's going to be a little bit of streaking going on. When it dries completely, it should be good to go. So I'm really liking this. So Poppy's Patina, thank you for sending this to me. And guys, I'm calling it a night. I got to be on the road at 5:30 in the morning. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all later. Poppy's Patina. Happy Father's Day, Dad.